a site engineer living in a panic condition because of not knowing what and how to supervise the work at construction site? Then please listen to these site techniques tips which are to be followed by the engineers at construction site. This will remove your panic. Probability of occurrence of the quality deficiency. Most important facts to be noted is that the following probable problems and the quality deficiency in the construction works that may happen in case of non-carrying out of the site techniques. Tip number 4. If the arrangements of water pump for bailing out of subsoil water is not envisaged, then the progress of work may hamper. Tip number 5. The concrete bed work may not be in good quality and its life is reduced. Tip number 6. It will be assessed as bad supervision and may earn a bad name to the site engineer. Thanks for listening. We'll meet in the next video.